What if I told you that you only need one rule to completely transform your financial life? No complicated spreadsheets, no financial degree required, no expensive financial advisor, just one simple rule that tells you exactly where every single dollar of your paycheck should go. It's called the 50-30-20 rule. And in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to use it, starting with your very next paycheck. Stay until the end, okay? Because I'm also going to show you the biggest mistake people make with this rule that completely destroys their financial progress. Let's get into it. Welcome back to Wealth Decode Blueprint, the channel where we decode the secrets of wealth and build your financial blueprint, one video at a time. If you're new here, subscribe right now and hit the bell notification, because every Tuesday and Friday we drop videos that will completely change the way you think about money. Now let's talk about the 50-30-20 rule, the simplest and most powerful budgeting system ever created. Let's break it down. First, what exactly is the 50-30-20 rule? It was popularized by U.S. Senator Elizabeth Warren in her book, All Your Worth. The concept is simple. Take your monthly after-tax income and divide it into 3 categories. 50% to needs, 30% to wants, 20% to savings and investments. That's it. Let me give you a real example. Let's say you earn $4,000 per month after taxes. 50% equals $2,000. Needs 30% equals $1,200. Wants 20% equals $800. Savings and investments. Simple, clear, powerful. Now, let's break down each category in detail. Category number 1, 50% for needs. Needs are expenses you absolutely cannot avoid. These include rent or mortgage payments, electricity and water bills, groceries and food, transportation, car payment or gas, insurance, health, car, home, minimum debt payments. Using our $4,000 example, your needs budget is $2,000 per month. Now, here's where most people go wrong. They confuse needs with wants. Netflix is not a need. Gym membership is not a need. Daily Starbucks is not a need. If your needs exceed 50%, here's what to do. Option 1, find a cheaper apartment. Option 2, reduce grocery bills. Option 3, cut transportation costs. Option 4, increase your income. The goal is simple. Keep needs under 50%. If you're spending 70% on needs, you have a lifestyle problem, not an income problem. Fix the lifestyle first. Category number 2, 30% for wants. Wants are things that improve your quality of life, but you could survive without them. These include dining out at restaurants, Netflix, Spotify, Disney+, shopping and new clothes, vacations and travel, hobbies and entertainment, gym membership. Using our $4,000 example, your wants budget is $1,200 per month. Now, this is not a guilt category. You should enjoy your money. The 50-30-20 rule gives you permission to spend $1,200 on things you love without any guilt, because your needs are covered and your savings are automatic. But here's the rule. Once $1,200 is spent, it's done. No overspending, no credit card debt for wants. Wants are paid with cash, always. Pro tip, divide your $1,200 into weekly budget, $300 per week. When it's gone until next week. This one trick alone stops impulse spending immediately. Category number 3, and the most important one, 20% for savings and investments. Using our $4,000 example, that's $800 per month, going directly to building your wealth. Now, how should you divide this $800? Here's the exact breakdown. First, $200 to emergency fund, until you have 6 months' expenses saved, high-yield savings account. Second, $400 to retirement account, Roth, IRA or 401k, index funds, VOO or VTI. Third, $200 to investment account, brokerage account, S&P 500 index fund. This, $800 per month, invested consistently at 10% average return. In 30 years becomes $1.8 million from just $800 per month. That's the power of the 20% savings rule. And here's the most important tip. Automate this 20%. The same day you get paid, pay yourself first before you pay anyone else. Set up automatic transfer on payday directly to your savings and investments. If you never see the money, you'll never miss it. Now, let's talk about the biggest mistakes people make with the 50-30-20 rule. Mistake number 1, they calculate based on gross income. Always use after-tax income. If you earn $5,000 gross, but take home $4,000 after taxes, use $4,000 for your calculations, not $5,000. Mistake number 2, they save what's left over. Wrong approach completely. Save first, then spend what's left. Automate your 20% on payday. Non-negotiable. Mistake number 3, they give up when they miss a month. Life happens. Unexpected expenses come up. Miss 1 month. Get back on track next month. Progress over perfection, always. Mistake number 4, they never adjust the percentages. 50-30-20 is a starting point, not a law. High debt? Try 50-20-30. Aggressive saving? Try 40-30-30. Adjust based on your situation, but always, always save at least 20%. Mistake number 5, they budget alone. If you have a partner, budget together. Financial arguments are the #1 cause of divorce in America. Budget together, grow together. So let's do a quick recap. The 50-30-20 rule. 50% needs rent, bills, groceries, transport. 30% wants dining, entertainment, hobbies. 20% savings and investments. Emergency fund, Roth IRA, index funds. Take your after-tax income, divide it right now, and set up automatic savings today. This one rule, followed consistently, will make you wealthier than 90% of Americans. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe to Wealth Decode Blueprint, because next Tuesday we're breaking down exactly how credit scores work and how to get yours above 800. The link is right here. Point to end screen. Decode your wealth. Build your blueprint. Let's go.